So, hello my friends. Now I am going to teach one of the most important topic of modern history. Modern history, why? Because the topic which I am going to teach it's very important in every field of life. Of course, I am going to teach probability. One of the topic of stats. So stats play a very important role in our life, and its main part is probability. So before we start probability, whatever exam you will write, whatever, either 11th, 12th, UG, PG, CSIR, NET, GATE, any exam, engineering, this will play a very important role there. So I will try my best to explain the basic terminology. Then we go one by one step, and I will try to finish a complete syllabus of probability. So don't leave any video, any lecture of this series. And I hope if you prepare with me, then definitely you will solve every question, whatever they will ask in your examination. So let me start with some basic definitions first, because terminology is very important here. So if I will start with the basic, so basic means first what is a random experiment. So I'm not going to write theory definition here, just I will explain orally. So what is random experiment? A random experiment, as the name suggests, you do anything. But if you know, it's all outcomes. Outcomes means output. Suppose you have to toss a coin. So you know what will come, either head or tail. If you have dice, if you throw the dice, then what will come? Either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Not more than 6 it will come. So any experiment whose all outcomes you know before is known as random experiment, correct? So hope you understand. Now second definition which is important, that is called event. You think it's very common thing. Yes, it's, of course it's a common, but my work is to explain everything. So don't worry, we will go up to any level, but take time. So what is event? Happening of anything is called event. You thrown the dice, it's a event. You toss a coin, it's a event. You have taken one ball out from one urn. Urn means bag. It's an event. Okay. So now third definition, which is we are going to use so many times, is called equally likely events. What is equally likely events? Equally likely events means if one event happened, then definitely it will not affect second one. There is no chance. Suppose you throw a dice, then if one came out as outcome, then definitely 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will not come. If you throw a dice one time, if you toss a coin, then only head or tail come. So this type events is called equally likely. Now fourth, which is we are going to use very often, mutually exclusive event. What is mutually exclusive event? If one happen, then second definitely not happen. For example, I will explain with example that is better. Suppose A is an event. In pack of a card, A means you have taken one card out. A is an event to outcome as a spade. B is an event for outcome as a heart. C is an event for outcome as a king. So again, we have taken one pack of card and we have taken one card out. Then what is the possibility? It will be spade event A, heart event B, it's a king event C. So which are mutually exclusive and which are not? So see, if that card which you have taken out, it's a single card, one card only. If it is spade, definitely it is not going to be heart, because in a pack of card 13 spades are there and 13 heart. So if it is a spade, then definitely it is not a heart card. It means these two events A and B are mutually exclusive. Now what about A and C? If you have taken that card which is a spade, maybe that is king also, because spade king also is there in pack of card. So that both are possible. So this is not a mutually exclusive event. Correct? Clear? So if you know, if happening of one, definitely B will not come. It means they are mutually exclusive. It means nothing is common in between that. Means A intersection B always fine. Now, fifth. These are basic terminology which I am going to use in every lecture. What is if A or B both given? Either or terminology came in question. Either A will come or B will come, or A will come or B will come. It means they are asking about the union. If A and B they ask, it means they are telling about to find out A intersection B. Hope you understand. These are very common terminology which everyone is using in probability. It means suppose in pack of card, two cards are drawn. Find the probability that one is king and one is queen. So and word came, and means they are asking A intersection B. And if or word came, either king or queen, then means A union B they are asking to find the probability of A union B. So whenever or word comes, it means we have to go for addition. And whenever and will come, it means we have to go for multiplication. So now we will start the definition of probability. So now I think you understand what is the basic terminology. So what is first? First is nothing, just what is random experiment? Any experiment, whose all possible outcomes we know. It is known as a random experiment. What is event? Event means happening of anything. Then what is equally likely events? Equally likely events means both are having same chance to come. What is mutually exclusive event? Means happening of one definitely not affect second one. Definitely affect second one, means if A happens then definitely B will not happen. It means they are mutually exclusive. Already I explained these concepts. Now I'm going to start definition of probability. That is nothing, very simple thing, but the question. So my friends always believe it's required practice. How many types question you will do? I will try my best to explain each type of question or possibilities which will come in your exam, any exam. But simultaneously, you also do some questions with your reference book. And if you have any doubt, feel free to contact me. Just you put message and I will send you my WhatsApp number and you will ask whatever you want. So now probability definition. Definition of probability. Consider one random experiment. Consider a random experiment. And A is an event. Then probability of happening of A. PA means probability of happening of event A is number of favorable outcomes upon total outcomes, or sometimes it is denoted by Na upon Ns. Hope, because probability, this definition you seen so many times, so you know it's calculation. Whatever given question, find out favorable outcomes and divide that one by total number of outcomes. For example, first question, because these all are easy question which I am going to do because this is basic exercise. When we go for tough exercise, I will write the complete question and I will explain thumb by thumb. So suppose we tossed a coin. So we tossed a coin one time. So what is sample space? Sample space means total number of outcomes. Total outcomes, what are the possibility? Either head will come or tail will come. So how many? 2. What is NA? Suppose they ask, find the probability of getting a head in tossing a coin one time. So getting a head means if you toss a coin one time, then head, how many times it will come? What is the number of favorable cases? Only one. it will come head. So favorable means 1. So what is probability of happening A? 1 by 2. Suppose you throw a dice. Dice means what is the possibility of coming any number? 6. Total 6 numbers are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anything will come. Getting 3 in a thrown of a single dice. What is the probability? Getting 3 means what is A? 3 we will get how many times? Only one time, na? What is probability? 1 by 6. Not only 3, any number. Getting any number in a throw of a single dice. What is the possibilities? Only 1. One time it will come. So probability always 1 by 6. Third type question, which are also very easy. From a pack of cards, playing card. You know playing card, what is the sample space? Now we have 52 cards. Getting king. What is the possibility? King, how many kings are there in card? Out of 52, we know what is the number of favorable cases. How many cards kings are there? 4. So anything will come. So it's a 4. So what is probability of getting king? 4 by 52. Similarly, if they ask getting a spade, then in spade how many are there? 13. So what is the probability? Probability 13 by 52 means 1 by 4. Okay. Now we will do one more question. Not one more. We are going to solve so many questions. Hope you understand these basic questions. Now suppose we have one letter. Probability choosing a letter from probability. We choose one letter from one probability. Suppose they ask, find the probability that that letter is a vowel. Do you know what are the vowels? Vowels means, what are the vowels? A, E, I, O, U. So first, what is sample space? In how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now come for favorable cases. See which letter is vowel? P, no. R, no. O, yes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct? So 4 letters are vowel. Anything will come. What is the probability of getting vowel letter? 4 by 11. We will do so many questions based on letter words. But in basic, we will do this type question. Suppose now we have one bag. Bag, sometimes it is written as urn also. We have one bag or urn which contains 4 black ball, 3 red ball and 2 orange ball. 4 black, 3 red and 2 orange ball. What is the getting probability? One ball we have taken out. Find the probability that is it is red. So what is sample space? How many balls are there? 9. Getting red. So red means how many red balls we have? 3. So anything will come? So 3. What is probability? 3 by 9. That means 1 by 3. is the getting probability of orange ball? Because you have taken one ball, so orange, how many are there? 2. What is probability of getting orange ball? 2 by 9, because sample space is same. Similarly, we do all question of different type. So now I'm going to write some questions which is very important for you. So hello friends, now we are going to solve these two questions. These two questions, why? Because just we started as a basic. So we will try from these two questions, and believe me, these are so much easy, and all type questions we will try to do. And before we start, one of my suggestion, and that suggestion is nothing, just take probability easy topic. Don't make it complicated. Just think little bit, and I hope you will do easily. So okay, a ball is drawn at random from a box. So from a box, one ball is drawn. Clear? Box contains 6 white, 8 red and 10 green balls. So what is total number of balls? Means NS 6 plus 8 plus 10, 24. It means we have total 24 balls in that box, and in that 24 box one ball is taken out. Good. Determine the probability that the ball drawn is white. White ball, only one ball we have taken out. So how many white balls are there? 6 white balls. So out of 6, any ball will come. So what is the probability? Probability of getting white ball, we do not W, is what? What is number of available? Total number of balls 6 by 24, 1 by 4. What is the probability of getting red ball? How many red balls are there? 8. So 8 by 24, it means 1 by 3. What is getting green ball? Total 10 upon 24 means 5 by 12. Not red. So if PA means happening of probability A, PA means happening of event A, then PA bar complicate. How we calculate? Just 1 minus PA. What is the value? What is PA? PA means getting a red ball. Na? Not red means 1 minus getting red. 1 by 3. What is the value? 2 by 3. Red or green. So friends, there are two methods. Using that you can calculate. One, how many, what is first method? Red or green. How many reds are there? 8. And how many greens are there? 10. So total how many balls? 18. Red or green, total how many balls? 18 only, na? Out of that anything will come. And total number of this. So 3 by 4. One this method, or so what is second method? Here or comes. Or means addition will come in picture. Already I told, it means we have to calculate. Addition means probability of getting red plus probability of getting green. What is probability of getting red? 1 by 3. What is probability of getting green? 5 by 12. Simplify. 9 by 12 by 4. So hope you understand. No, same here. A card is drawn from a pack of cards. So how many cards are there? 52. So what is NS? Here, total 52 cards we have. One card is drawn. A black card. How many black cards are there? 26. So 26 by 52 means 1 by 2. A red card. How many red cards? Same. 26. 1 by 2. A club. How many clubs are there? Cards are there? 13. So 13 by 1 by 4. An ace. How many aces are there? Total 4. 4 by 52 means 1 by 13. A red ace. Total red ace means 2 red aces are there. So 2 by 52. Ace of spade. In spade, how many aces are there? Only one. Not a spade. Oh, not a spade means 1 minus. It's a spade. Spade means how many spade? 13. 3 by 4. A king or a queen? A king or a queen? Again, same type. You can do by two methods. How many kings are there? 4. How many queens are there? 4. So total 8 by 52. It means 2 by 13. Or a king. You can do by second method. A king. King means 4 king are there. Means 1 by 13. Plus a queen. 4 queens are there. Again 1 by 13. Total how much? 2 by 13. So hope you understand. Here I have taken only one card. Or here only one ball. Now in next question I am going to take two balls or more than two balls. Now this question, two unbiased dice are thrown. So two dice are thrown. So what is total sample space? Sample space we know very easily. Two dice thrown means 6 into 6, that is 36. Correct? Huh? Because you know if A contains 6 element, B contains 6 element, then what is the number of element in A cross B? 6 into 6, 36. Okay. So find the probability that 6 may be obtained as a product. So think about dice. You have two dice, you throw. So 6 obtained as a product. When 6 will come? What is NA? Favorable event. 6 as a product means in first dice it will come 1 and second dice it will come 6. In first dice it will come, second dice will come 3. Then in first dice it will come 3 and second dice will come 2. In first dice it will come 6 and second dice will come 1. Any other possibility? No. Because product must be 6. These are the only possibilities. So what is probability for that? The probability of getting A is how many events? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 favorable events upon total 36 means 1 by 9. Correct? Now come for second. Both the dice show the same number. Hope you understand. Both the dice will be sum number means what is NA here? Even number means 1 1, 2 2, 3 3, 4 4, 5 5 and 6 6. What is probability? How many? 6 upon 36. That is 1 by 6. The first dice shown 6. First dice shown 6 means second. Your choice. You can put anything. What is NA here? 6 1, 6. Second dice 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, 6 6. What is probability for that? 1 by 6. The total of the numbers on the dice is 8. Now sum is 8. Sum is 8 means what is the possibility for NA? Sum is 8. So first die will come 2 and second die will come 6. Then first die will come 3 and second will come 5. First die will come 4, second will come 4. First die will come 5, second will come 3. First die will come 6 and second will come 2. Correct? See, all times sum is 6. Then reverse. First die will show 6, second will show 2. Already written. Then first die will show 5. I think it's over. What is probability? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 by 36. For this. No. The total of the number on the dice is greater than 8. Greater than 8 means we have to go again. Greater than 8. For this question number 5. I'm going to solve here. What is an 8? Greater than 8 means first will come 3, second will come 6. Then 6, 3. Then 4, 5. 5, 4. Greater than 8 means this much. 4, 4 not. So, what is the probability? 4 by 36. Is 1 by 9. What is 6? Sum of the numbers on the two face is neither 9 nor 11. So neither 9 nor 11 means fine. It's either 9 or 11 and then subtract from 1. Correct? Again, the sum of the numbers on the two faces is neither 9 nor 11. So sum neither 9 and not 11. So two ways are there again. So what is PA? Sum will not be 9 and not 11. It means 1 2 1 1. Okay, it's not 9 not 11. 1 2 1 3. 3 6 will not come because 3 6 sum is 9. 9 will not require. Then 4 6. 4 5 will not come. Then 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4 not. 5 4 not there. 5 5, 5 6 not there. Then 6 1, 6 2, 6 3 will not there. 6 4, 6 5 is not there. 6 6. So what is the how many numbers? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30. So what is probability? Probability is 30 by 36, 5 by 6. This is one way. What is second way? Find the second way is find the sum for 9, getting 9 and 11, 9 or 11, or means add and then subtract from 1 over. So we do by that method also. What is second method? Probability of getting sum either 9 or 11. What is NA in this case? So how we solve? Probability of getting 9 is 9 will come. How? 9 will come means what is NA? NA is 9 means 3 6 6 3 4 5 5 4. What is probability of getting 9? 4 by 36, 1 by 9. Similarly, probability of getting 11 is, what is NA in this case? 5 6 and 6 5. These are the only possibilities. So what is probability of denoted by B? So what is probability of getting B? 2 by 36 means 1 by 18. So what is the total probability of this event? 1 by 18 plus 1 by 9. So 18 LCM 1 plus 2 means 1 by 6. So what is the probability of E complement? 1 minus P is 1 minus 1 by 6 means 5 by 6. Correct? So what is it? They ask sum of the number of the two faces is neither 9 nor 11. Sum of two faces is not 9 and not 11. In other words, we can say find the probability of getting 9 and 11, 9 or 11, either 9 will come or 11 will come, and then subtract from 1. So we did by this way also. In both the way we will get the same result. Now, what is the seventh one? The total number of the dice is getting 13. which is impossible event, correct? Because if you throw two dice, then getting 13 it's not possible, because maximum value we can get, that is 12. So for 7th, probability of that event is 0, because this is impossible event. The total number of the dice is any number from 2 to 12, both inclusive. No, 8. The total number on the dice is any number from 2 to 12, both inclusive, means 2 and 12 both. So 2 to 12, any number will come, that possibility. So 2 to 12. So my friends, two methods again are there. Find the probability for getting some lines between 2 to 10. So it's lengthy, because when you both inclusive means it's probability 1, because sum is definitely lies between 2 and 12 only. So its probability, directly we can say it's a 1, because if you throw the dice, at least 1 and 1 will become. So 1 plus 1 definitely 2, and maximum will come 2 plus 6 plus 6, that is 12. It means definitely it's a total, always, means always it will come, means confirmed event, and confirmed event means its probability is 1, because probability lies between 0 and 1. For impossible event, probability is 0, and for definite event means definitely it will happen, it means its probability 1. So this question probability 1. Hope you understand this question. In next part, we start with permutation and combination method logic. That is very important. So we will do uh, in next part of this series. So my friends, one request, please subscribe the channel so that I will continue remaining parts, and I will do much better. So if you have any problem, you can ask me anytime. So thank you. We will meet again.